Hello YouTube. Today I bring this amazing product, and this is a GoPro external microphone, or you can simply say the mic, and this comes with a very nice packing, and I ordered this thing from gearbest.com, and this is a very cheap microphone. This will cost me around $7, and this is external stereo microphone, and with the adapter for the GoPro Hero 4 and 3 and older models also. What is the need of this product? Actually, when you are using GoPro, and especially if you are shooting outside, so outside there is a very heavy winds, sometimes, and that thing will disturb your video. So but by this product you can simply reduce that noise thing, So let me open the pack and I will show you what is inside. So it's a very nice packing. Oh my God! See how I open. See, these all are the things, and everything is flying. Now let me get rid of this packet. You don't need. You need this. So these all are the things. Just have a look, guys. This is our main gear. This is the main thing. Just have a look. Let me focus. Yeah, see? This is the main mic. Very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. And this is very good quality. And this is the left side, right side. So you can place this thing with your GoPro. And this is a 3.5 millimeter jack. This is a plastic body, and you can connect this thing just like this, and this side you can connect in the GoPro. So this is perfect, and you can use these extra covers for the wind. So we have to place these covers before we are going outside, because these kind of thing will help you to especially remove the noise from the wind. And actually this microphone sensitivity is 35 dB. Okay, so that is 38 dB, that is the sensitivity. And this is a very nice product, and it will also reduce the wind and other low frequency noises. Okay, and that is the use. So the good thing is this thing is compatible with all action cameras. Okay, and like almost all of the action cameras which are available in the market. So now I will test this product with my GoPro, and for that I have to take this thing outside, and then I will show you the result of this product. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. And this also comes with this carry case, GoPro carry case, so you can use. This is a free thing, Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like. See you outside. Hello, hi. So this is the recording clip. And now I am standing in this beautiful beach, and currently I am using my Hero 4, and there is no external microphone, and I'm just recording from this the stock microphone which is available in this Hero 4. So you can see some noises, some wind noise, and but now I will this is the clip without the external mic. Now I will connect the external mic, and then I will show you how the sound and how this thing can cancel the noise. Hi guys, so now I just attached the external microphone and now you can see, now you can listen my voice. I hope it's very clear, because there is some protection on this mic to reduce the the wind noises, so this recording is through the microphone, and you can have a look the beautiful beach. And here I am testing the external microphone for the Hero 4, GoPro Hero 4. So now you guys just tell me how the sound quality is. I hope you like this review. Hello guys, so now this WPL truck is here, and I'm here to check the skills of this small truck. You can have a look. This is very nice and looking great in this area, and I will test here, because here I will see a lot of rough ground to give some tough time, because this is a crawler, so crawler needs to be very tough in these kind of places. So let me turn on the power. Okay, it's on.